Yo, so today I'm gonna open up this Raph Turtles in Time from the video game by Neca. It's the only one I have of them, but he's super dope and he was a good price. That's the artwork on that side, it's cool, but the turtles on the box, they don't look like the turtles in the game or like the figure. I think they look more like, you know, that live action tour they did in the 90s where they would sing and they were just people in costumes. That's what they look like, I think. Anyway, the back is cool. It's got Mikey and Shredder and Leatherhead, all from the game, but I don't have those ones. It's a cool kind of retro video game style background there. Doesn't want to come out right now, but that's fine. There he is. It looks dope. Oh yeah. Don't have the cartoon Neca Turtle. I haven't been able to grab them yet, and it's always in a 4-pack, and it's, yeah. If I can get them one at a time, I can take a while to collect all 4, but don't think, unless they come available for the right price, I'll be able to get any more of these guys. That's a nice size, all one color. But in the game, I don't think they had too much detail, like they don't have leather straps or anything, probably just silver or gray in the game. He only comes with 2 extra hands, pointing hands, or like fake gun hands. Like I'm gonna shoot you, pow, cool. And then I guess the hands he comes with are holding hands. Yeah, no fist hands. Some interesting cell shading on the back of his head. Oh, his whole back is shaded. That's cool, I guess, because in the game, well, they make it kind of pixely. I guess they didn't need to do the back like that, because when they're turned around and you're seeing their back, if you see their back, it's lit and their front would be dark, you know? That's kind of weird, but the shell looks dope. This belt looks dope, but then it's not shaded on the feet on the back or the hands. This foot is a little stiff. He looks dope. Head's a little goofy, but yeah, I think that's weird. Gray R on the belt. We'll have to warm it up to get this in. That's tight. Oh, yeah, I got it in by pushing down. That's cool. Try it one more. Oh, he just needs one side, and the other can be pointing. This one. No. This one. He doesn't have any holsters for his side, but I guess you could fit it in here. That's going to limit. He's got very stiff joints. Extremely stiff joints. Does the elbow even bend? Oh, it bends the other way. It's sideways. Okay. I don't know. Does the elbow bend? I don't think it does. That's weird. It's got the swivel at the bicep. Oh, and then the swivel on the forearm. But, oh, there we go. Finally I got it to bend. But it's super stiff. Might have to warm it up. Knee. Is that double knee? Yeah. Double knee. Is the elbow a double elbow or just a single? Try this arm. Well, I don't think the elbows are supposed to bend, just twist. That's strange. Okay, so not super impressed with the articulation on this guy. I mean, he has this awesome skateboard, or has this awesome surfboard from the surfing level in the game, which is dope. Did they come with a base for this to stick onto? I think it did. I didn't see it in the box. No. Should have been here. It might have fell out when I was opening it and it's on my floor. But it has a peg to stick something in to hold it up. But it didn't come with a stand. That's weird.
The next day.
So it's the future now, a couple days, but after I finished filming this video, opening this guy, and I was sad, I found the stand that fell, because it didn't fall on the floor. I looked on the floor, it didn't make it all the way to the floor. It landed on this Buzz Lightyear tow truck. It didn't make it all the way to the floor. It landed on this Buzz Lightyear tow truck. So my whole outlook on this figure changed when I got this. and it took like 5 minutes, but eventually I was able to get his foot in here. And now, well, now he's an awesome figure. I mean, he's still lacking. If I warmed him up, he would have better articulation. There is a joint for the elbow to move, but it's super tight. But yeah, with this awesome stand, you can have him posed all differently if you get his foot firmly into this peg. Yeah, it's pretty tight. It doesn't want to stay, but you can get it pretty good. Alright, so there he is. With the stand, he's a much better figure, because without it, well, the surfboard is pointless. But yeah, he looks super dope now. And the original ending to this video was a sad one, because I was disappointed. Why would he have a board without the stand? They want you to buy another stand, like a special 4-pack of stands, or a 2-pack, or 3-pack. But yeah, super dope figure, lacking in some spots, not exactly how I would have done it, but yeah, with this base here is super cool. You can get him to stay. And so there's still time to enter with the word Sisyphus down below if you're a subscriber and you want to win some merch that I have coming out soon. Leave a comment with the word Sisyphus and you can enter once in each video until the draw. So thanks a lot for watching, and until next time, remember, always keep your head up. Peace.